Hello everyone. Today we have selected functions question, which is very important, included in IGCSE GCSE syllabus, and this is very important, and this is like more than 10 mark question, and 10 mark questions are very important for IGCSE GCSE exams, and this 10 mark can change your grade from B to A or A to A star, like that one. So you need to carefully go through this one, and I'll try my maximum to explain properly. So this is f of x is provided, g of x is provided, and h of x is provided with the condition x is not equal to 0. And first of all, a part, we need to find g of 3. So g of 3, in g of x we will replace x is equal to 3, and we will get g of 3 is equal to 3 minus 1 square, and this will be equal to 2 square, which is 4. So answer we will write here as 4. This is 1 mark straightforward question. Then B part, find f of x minus 2, giving your answer in simplest form. So we need to find f of x minus 2. F of x we know is given 1 minus 3x, so we can write f of x minus 2, which will be equal to 1 minus x we will be replacing by x minus 2, so x minus 2, like this. Now we can open the bracket and it will be 1 minus 3x, and minus 3 into minus 2 will be plus 6, so it will be plus 6. Further we can simplify adding the like terms, so it will be 7 minus 3x, and 7 minus 3x will be answer for this 2 mark question. Now C part says we need to find f inverse of x. So f of x is given, we will replace, we can write y is equal to 1 minus 3x, and further we need to make x as subject, so we can write 3x is equal to 1 minus y, and then we can divide both sides by 3. This will be 1 minus y over 3. Now we can swap x and y, so y will be equal to 1 minus x over 3. So this implies f inverse of x is equal to 1 minus x over 3. So our answer will be 1 minus x over 3. This will be our final answer for 2 marks. Hopefully you understand this as well. D part, we need to find this, and in the answer should be in this format, cubic equation, and find the values of a b c values we need to provide. And first, this is composite function question. First we'll be solving this part, and then we'll be solving this part, and answer will be providing in this format. Now first of all, g of f of x, which is composite function, we will apply first f of x. We have f of x value, f of x is given as 1 minus 3x, so we will replace f of x as 1 minus 3x. This will be f of x value. Now in g of x we will be replacing 1 minus 3x. G of x is this one, so x minus 1 square, so this is equal to, g of x is equal to x minus 1 square. This is what we have already. Now in this one, x will be replaced by 1 minus 3x, so we will get 1 minus 3x, and this one, and minus 1, and this will be square. So this is rough work which I will erase, and now we can open this bracket, and this will be 1 minus 3x minus 1 square, and 1 and plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled, and we will get minus 3x square will be 9x square. So we got this for g of f of x. Now we can find the other portion, which is g of x multiply by f of x, and f of x is 1 minus 3x, so 1 minus 3x in brackets, and g of x is x square minus x minus 1 square, so x minus 1 square. And now we can open the square, so 1 minus 3x into x square. If we open this, this will be x square plus 1 minus 2x, and if you don't understand this, then you will have to revise your algebra, and this will be multiplied and you will get this one. Hopefully you understood this. Now what we will be doing, we will be multiplying these two terms, and what we will be getting, 1 into x square will be x square, 1 into plus 1 will be 1, and minus 2x, then minus 3 multiplied by x square will be minus 3x square, then minus 3x multiplied by 1 will be minus 3x, and minus 3x multiplied by minus 2x will be plus 6x square. Now this value and this value we will replace in this equation, and this will be 9x square and minus this whole thing. This one first we can simplify, adding like terms. We will get 7x square. So basically this will be not this one, 3 terms are fine, minus 3 into x will be, this should be cube here, and rest of everything is fine. So minus 3x cube, and x square we can combine, which is plus 7x square, and minus 5x and plus 1, and this will be, now we can replace this here, minus 3x cube and plus 7x square minus 5x plus 1. This is what we are replacing in this equation, and we will get 9x square, and minus we will multiply, change sign, so plus 3x cube, and this will be minus 7x square plus 5x minus 1, and this will be 3. I will arrange and adding the like terms, so 9x square minus 7x square will be plus 2x square and plus 5x minus 1. Now we can compare this with this given equation. So our ABC values will be, A is value of coefficient of x square, which is 2 in this case, and coefficient of x is b value, so we'll write here 5, and c value is minus 1, so we can write here minus 1. These are ABC values, and this was 5-mark question. Hopefully you understood this. Now E part says find h of x minus f of x, giving your answer as a single fraction in its simplest form. So h of x is what? H of x is over here, which is 3 over x. So we will write over here 3 over x, 3 by x, and minus, this will be f of x, and f of x is 1 minus 3x, 1 minus 3x, and we will be opening the bracket, so it will be 3 over x minus 1 plus 3x, and we can take LCM, so this one, and 3 minus x plus 3x square, and this is the simplest form which we can write. We can write 3x square minus x and plus 3 and divided by x. This, no further simplification is possible, and this was very simple question, 3 marks. Hopefully you understood this. Now this f part says h of x raised to power n is equal to 3x raised to power 7. Find the value of n. So h of x, we know h of x is equal to 3 by x. Now we can write h of x raised to the power n. We will replace 3 over x by x raised to the power n, which we can shift as numerator. So 3x raised to the minus n. When we will be shifting denominator to numerator, its power will change. Hopefully you know the indices rule. And then we can compare this 3x raised to the minus n with this one, which is equal to 3x raised to the power 7. So 3x bases are same, so we can compare the powers. So minus n is equal to 7. This implies what? N is equal to minus 7. So n is equal to minus 7. This will be the final answer for 1 mark. Hopefully you understood this. If we count the marks for this question, 1 plus 3 will be 4, 4 plus 5 will be 9, 9 plus 2 will be 11, 11 plus 2 will be 13 plus 1, 14 mark question, and you know the importance of 14 marks in IGCSE, GCSE, Adexal, Cambridge exams. So you need to focus more on these functions, and hopefully, as I have gone through in detail in this question, you will be practicing easily these type of questions. And to get these type of videos, again, you need to subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Recommend this channel to your class fellows and friends, and introduce this channel to your respected teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.